Hi everyone, this is Gloria Giraldo by Chefs Are In. This summertime, we want to spend a day at the beach and I'm going to make veggie burgers for the occasion. So I want to share my recipe with you. Let's get started. Para las personas que hablan español, pueden ustedes revisar los ingredientes y la receta completa en la descripción que se encuentra abajo del video. Empecemos. Let's going to start with a tomato jam. We're gonna need the juice of a half lemon, 4 big spoons of brown sugar, and 4 tomatoes. Let's save the tomato jam for later. Now we're going to saute in olive oil 6 mushrooms cut in slices and a half of eggplant cut in slices. We're gonna need a caramelized onion. So for this, we need a big spoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and an onion cut in thin slices. Now we're gonna mix the eggplant, the mushrooms, the onion, (15 grams of pumpkin seeds, and this is a half of spoon of turmeric, half spoon of garlic powder, and half spoon of cumin. We're gonna mix all this. Now we're going to add a cup of black beans, 3 spoons of oatmeal, dry oatmeal, and a half of spoon of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. And we're going to mix everything.
Summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. Will my love you?
Fuentes here. We are at the beach here with my vegetarian burger, and it's delicious. It's low sodium. You can enjoy it, and let's just try it. Outstanding.